Standing in the backyard with a stack of steaks and a pair of tongs, you face a choice between two machines that look similar, but offer very different lives under the hood. It is the classic battle between pure utility and high end luxury. On one side, we have the standard version of this famous grill. This is the workhorse. It is designed for the person who wants a direct path from raw ingredients to a finished meal without any fluff getting in the way. You get core features that actually impact the flavor of your food, like heavy-duty stainless steel burners and a build quality that feels like it could survive a small storm. The heat distribution is the star here. You do not have to worry about cold corners or uneven cooking surfaces. It is predictable and steady. The ignition system is snappy. It is the kind of tool that makes you feel confident the moment you turn the knob. There are no distractions, no fancy lights, just a solid piece of engineering that focuses on the fundamentals of fire and metal. Now contrast that with the professional version. This is where the experience shifts from basic cooking to something that feels a bit more elite. The first thing that catches your eye is the glow. Those LED control knobs are more than just eye candy. They provide real utility when you are finishing a late night cook and need to see exactly where your heat levels are set, without fumbling for a flashlight. The stainless steel used in these models often feels more premium, offering a bit more resistance to the elements and a sleeker look on the patio. But the real heavy hitter is the versatility. Many of these upgraded models feature specialized infrared sear stations. This is not just a gimmick. It allows you to hit meat with a blast of intense heat that a standard burner cannot replicate. It creates that perfect steakhouse-style crust while keeping the inside tender and juicy. It turns the grill into a multi-zone cooking station. However, there's a trade-off for all that extra tech. The more features you add, the more maintenance you have to think about. The base model is incredibly easy to own because there are fewer parts to clean or inspect. It is the ultimate low-maintenance partner. The professional version is for the enthusiast. It is for the person who wants to push their culinary limits and appreciates the little details that make a long grilling session more comfortable. If you are out there every night, those conveniences like better lighting and specialized burners become essential. If you only fire things up once a month, the simplicity and lower price of the standard model make it the smarter play. Both offer that signature durability, so you are not sacrificing longevity regardless of your choice. You are simply deciding if you want a reliable tool or a feature-rich experience. One delivers consistent results with zero complexity. The other offers a refined, high-performance environment that rewards your curiosity. It is about matching the machine to the way you actually live your life outside.